Welcome to video number 2 in Torque Trend's Driveline video series. Let's get started. Next up is the 3R series. This is the 27 spline, same barrel, but it's that 3R, common in GM vehicles and some others. Like I said, it's really fits in between a 1330 and a 1350 as far as size. The bigger the number, the more the strength. So if it's a heavier vehicle or a lot of torque, you might want to step up in U-joint size from the 1330 or the 3R all the way to the 1350. Okay, so to sum it up, what's right for your vehicle really is determined by the vehicle, the size of the vehicle, certainly the weight of the vehicle. The power output is a big factor, and then how the vehicle is used. All that together. So you can give us a call, we can discuss your specific build and make more specific recommendations for your application. 75% of our customers are going to run the 27 spline, either a 3R or a 1330 series, depending on their vehicle. And 50% of those are going to go with a cast yoke. They just don't have the power, the performance that demands or requires that they go into a billet yoke. Okay, bushings. In our tail housing of the torque box, we either have a graphite impregnated bronze bushing, that's the most common, and we find this gives the greatest longevity, very durable bushing to support the yoke. Or in race applications, especially drag racing, some customers choose to go with a double needle roller in the torque box tail housing. But if you do that, if you choose the roller, you're going to definitely want to go to a 4340 hardened chrome moly yoke. It's more expensive, but it'll live against these steel bearings. With the cast yokes, with the 4140, 4130 billet yokes, you can live with the bronze bushing, but definitely want to go with the roller bearings if you are drag racing, because you're gonna pick up a little power to the ground. Okay, for more yoke information, just give us a call and we can discuss your specific build and get you moving in the right direction. Now invest a few minutes with us in video number 3, where we'll discuss the differences in U-joints. See you there.